Hi students. In this session we are going to discuss problems based on statistics. Mean, median, mode kana formulas use பண்ணி பண்ற problemsல different types of problems பார்க்க போறோம். So the first problem பாத்தீங்கன்னா 30 women were examined by a doctor and number of heartbeats per second were recorded. So tabulation பாத்தீங்கன்னா details அவங்க கொடுத்திருக்கு. Number of heartbeats per minute is 65 to 68 heartbeats. Okay. So number of women எத்தனை பேருக்கு அத்தனை heartbeats இருக்கு அப்படினு பார்த்தோம்னா 2 members. Again 68 to 71 heartbeats இருக்கிறவங்க 4 members. And what they are asking you to find is find the average heartbeats per minute. Average அப்படினா என்னமா கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? So average அப்படின்றது it is mean that you have to find out. How is that you can find mean? You have totally 3 methods. So on the 3 methods la endha method suitable அப்படினு பார்க்கிறதுக்கு first of all we have to identify the class mark. In order to identify the class mark, you add the 2 divide by 2. இல்லையா? So 65 plus 68 divided by 2 பண்ணி you have to write it here. So these are the class marks. Class marks கண்டுபிடிக்கும் போது first dataக்கு மட்டும் add பண்ணி divide by 2 பண்ணி you can put it. எல்லாத்தையுமே பண்றதுனா it becomes tedious. So an easy aspect is இதனுடைய range என்னன்னு பாரு. 65 to 68. So the difference between the higher and lower limit, what is it? 3. So on the 3 அடுத்தடுத்த data add பண்ணிட்டே வரலாம் because the continuous interval is over here. 65 to 68, அடுத்து 68 to 71. So interval continuous இருக்கா check பண்ணிட்டு அந்த class height என்ன இருக்கோ அத next data add பண்ணாலே you can get this xi value. So next part, fi into xi பண்ணுவோம் in case of direct method. ஆனா number பாருங்க 65.5, 69.5 இது எல்லாத்தையும் multiply பண்ணா the numbers will become very tedious. அதனால let me go on for step deviation method straight away. So step deviation methodல xi க்கு பதிலா I am bringing in ui. So how am I changing this xi னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா xi ல middle value I am going to take it as a. So middle value பாத்தீங்கன்னா 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 datas இருக்கு. So the middle value got to be the 4th data. So let me take the 75.5 as a. So xi minus a divided by h பண்ண போறோம். And always the best part in step deviation is that the middle value will be 0. ஏன்னா same number is being subtracted. அது தவிர மேலே கீழே அப்படியே number lineல போடுற மாதிரி you can put the numbers. This side it's all negatives, this side it's all positives. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 like that. So now you have obtained instead of xi, ui னு ஒரு value. இந்த ui value I am going to multiply with my fi. fi xi பண்றதுக்கு வர fi ui பண்ணி எழுத போறோம். So I am multiplying 2 by minus 3. I'll get it as what? Minus 6. So fi into ui கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு then I am adding everything in order to get this 4. So add பண்ணும்போது negatives தனியா add பண்ணிக்கணும், positives தனியா add பண்ணிக்கணும், and then you have to subtract, put in the bigger one sign. So add பண்ணும்போது positive ஓட sign எனக்கு பெருசா இருந்ததனால my answer comes out to be plus 4. So இதுக்கு அடுத்தது u bar we have to identify. U bar is nothing but sigma fi ui divided by sigma fi. அதாவது sum of all frequency sigma fi ன்றது. So sigma fi ui is 4 we have identified here. Sigma fi is sum of all these values put together. So இது எல்லாமே add பண்ணா வர value already questionலயே 30 women னு கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. So sigma fi is nothing but 30 ன்றது I can assume. So 40 by 30 I have got it here. Now the important part, the mean, which is x bar I have to identify. X bar is nothing but ulta of this change that we have already done. So xi can be written as what? Ui multiplied by h plus a. So u bar into h plus a. Abdinradha, you are taking it as your x bar. So u bar value is 4 by 30 as we have got it here. And the 4 by 30 I am substituting, and h value is 3 as you know from the problem. The class height and rather. Plus a is what you have previously identified, the middle value of your xi. A is 75.5, so other thing எழுதிருக்கேன். So when we calculate, we get the answer as 75.9. And that units you will write it as heartbeats per minute because the data given to you is what? Heartbeats per minute. So final answer you have to mention the units as well. So this comes out to be the answer for the question given to us here. Question number 2. இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா retail marketல fruit vendors mangoes எடுத்து pack பண்றாங்க. So number of mangoes கொடுத்திருக்காங்க and also the number of boxes questionல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. They have asked you to find the mean in this problem. ஆனா இதுல என்ன missing னா the class interval is not continuous. அதனால first அதை continuous-ஆ மாத்துறதுக்கு ஒரு column கொடுத்திருக்கேன். So எப்படி continuous-ஆ மாத்த முடியும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, the difference you have to check out. 52, this is 53. So the difference I have to tally it. Correct? So the difference divided by 2 பண்ணிக்கோ. So 1 by 2 is half or 0.5. And the 0.5 lower limit லந்து subtract பண்ணும், upper limit ஓட add பண்ணணும். Thereby it gets tallied. So 50 minus 0.5, what will I get? 49.5 to 52 plus 0.5 பண்ணா என்ன கிடைக்கும்? 52.5. So once after identifying the continuous class interval, we have to now find out the class mark, which is nothing but the middle value as we have already seen. So 52.5 plus 49.5 whole divided by 2. You will get the class mark as 51. So similarly, when you add, previous class height in the case, it is 49.5 minus 52.5. Now class height becomes 3. So on the 3 I am going to add it further. So 51 plus 3 how much? 54, 57, 60, 63. So that will be my class mark. So once after doing the class mark, I am going to find out UI. In a class mark numbers konjam periya numbers. I can't multiply this fi into xi. It will become very tedious. Adanala UI ennandradha paaka poren. So instead of xi, I am going to have my UI now. So middle value of the class mark enama? It is 57 for this problem. So A is 57 and H is, as we know, the difference between these two, which is 3. So when you apply that, UI values, as I told you, eppadi ma varum? A ku corresponding ana value will be 0. Mela minus 1, minus 2 pogum, kizha 1, 2 pogum. Right? So now you have to multiply Fi and UI. So when we multiply here, I get it as minus 30. So அப்படியே multiply பண்ணோம்னா you get these values and accordingly you have to add everything together. So negatives தனியா add பண்ணி positives தனியா add பண்ணோம்னா then subtracting I get the answer as 25. So from this I can find out what is my U bar. So U bar formula என்ன? Sigma Fi UI divided by sigma Fi. So it is 25 divided by sigma Fi is nothing but sum of all these values. So இதை calculate பண்ணேன்னா sigma Fi I am getting it as 400. Add பண்ண our answer. So over here I'll divide by 400. And now we have to proceed with finding x bar. And we know x bar is nothing but U bar H plus A. So it is 25 divided by 400, which is U bar, into H is 3 plus A is 57. So when you try to identify the answer, calculate panna, what is that we get? 57.19. And this is the number of mangoes. So I'll write it as mangoes in the answer. So my mean number of mangoes, average number of mangoes, comes out to be 57.19 for the given problem.